The Digital Economy and Society Index, also known as DESI, measures the progress of EU countries towards digitalization through 5 key areas. Since 2014, we have been sending out our best team on a field trip across Europe to check out how digitalization is coming along.
Meet Helena, Klaus, Kasia, Enzo and Marian.
The index is composed of 5 areas that group 37 indicators overall. First, how good is the fixed and mobile broadband coverage? How expensive is it?
Anyone got a good connection here?
Then, how skilled are people with digital? How often do people use the internet to do things like shopping, online banking, or sending documents? And how digital is the business world? Finally, how rapidly are e-government services growing? Digital opens a world of possibilities. The EU measures the index to help countries understand and compare their progress. This allows continuous improvement of European citizens' digital experience.
You can call me Matrix Master.
And keep them connected wherever they are.
Okay, I get it. It's exactly like Eurovision. Am I right?
DESI carries out the same exercise at the global level.
Okay, like Eurovision, only bigger.
Europe is already competing on a global level, but with DESI, we can find out how to do even better.
Daisy who?